You know what? I'm loving it, but there's one thing I'm not loving, and it's the allergies. If you're like me, tree pollen really gets you, and it's a bit of a doozy because this one's kind of off season here. Now, ragweed is also extremely heavy, but we expect that one this time of year. Tree pollen, not necessarily. That one tends to peak late spring, early summer. Turns out that elm trees, though, have a couple weeks here, a period in the fall where they blossom. And so that's what's to blame for that. Something to note if you'll be spending time outside and enjoying this beautiful weather that we have. Now, in terms of today, plenty of good sunshine here and another dry day. And I say dry in terms of both humidity and rain. So we've got those low dew points keeping things extremely pleasant. Daytime highs in the low to mid 80s. Sign me up for that, man. Similar to yesterday, and tomorrow will be pretty similar to today, too. A bit of a breeze today out of the southeast, about 5 to 10 miles an hour, but certainly not as windy as the conditions we saw yesterday. So if you're asking yourself, how long can I expect these beautiful, blissful conditions to last? Certainly throughout the weekend here, I think come Sunday, we're going to start to notice some changes. It's going to be warmer, so temperatures will get into the upper 80s, and humidity here will start to kind of rise as we head into next work week. So the rain chances will return primarily Monday evening into Tuesday and Wednesday. Taking a look at the tropics, they are active, but notice that the activity remains out in the Atlantic, which is definitely good news. This is a new wave here, the yellow on the bottom of your screen, that's expected to emerge off the coast of Africa in the next few days. And this orange one, believe it or not, is the remnants of Odette. Yes, we're still talking about Odette, to kind of a grand tour around the Atlantic, and now as it makes its way southward, dipping into warmer ocean waters, it might develop some tropical characteristics, so to speak. We've got a new named storm to talk about, Tropical Storm Sam here, moving to the west at 16 miles an hour with sustained winds of 50, is expected to become potentially a major hurricane here by the end of the weekend, but notice that cone of uncertainty starting to take that right turn, which is what we love to see before it gets to the Leeward Islands and also San Juan.